Hey guys, it's Steph. This is something that I just figured out with my Google Classroom, and I don't know if this will help you all out. But one of the things that I noticed, all of my assignments were posting in my stream, and my screen was getting a little crazy. So any notes and things that I posted students, you wouldn't necessarily see. So here's how I was able to change this. If you click into your Google Classroom, when you open up in stream, and if you see like this, I had all of my assignments posted there. So then anything I would write to kids, they would totally miss. Here's how you go about changing that. While you're in your Google Classroom, click on the settings button. When you're in settings, scroll down, and where it says classwork on the stream, I'm choosing to hide notifications. And where it says stream, I do not let the students post and comment because, again, that's another thing that becomes an issue. I just leave it as students can only comment. By doing that, when I hit save and then I go back to my stream, you'll only see the messages there from me to the kids. This way it makes kind of like the organization of it a little neater and easier to read. Hope that helps.